Hey guys, Melissa here from Lovable Loops. In this crochet tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to crochet a bulky beanie in a preemie, baby, child, and adult size. You're going to need number 5 bulky weight yarn and an L 8mm crochet hook. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. To begin, go ahead and take your yarn and make a magic ring, and you are going to make 11 double crochet inside of your magic ring. Chain 2 and make 11 double crochet. Okay, count them. Make sure you have 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I need one more. Okay, now pull on that yarn tail to close the ring. Okay, make sure you have 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So now I'm going to join in the round with a slip stitch to that first double crochet that I made, okay? So I'm going to take my working yarn and I'm just going to pull that through, okay? All right, so we have completed round 1 and we have 11 double crochet stitches. For round 2, you're going to chain 2. That chain 2 will never count as your first double crochet. So chain 2, and now we are going to make 2 double crochet in that same stitch. 1, 2. And you're going to make 2 double crochet in each remaining stitch all the way around. All right, so you've completed round 2. You should have 22 stitches. Go ahead and count them and make sure you're on track. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Go ahead and join in the round. Okay, so now you are actually done increasing for the preemie size, okay? So we just did rounds 1 through 2 together. So now for rounds 3 through 6 for a preemie size hat. For each of those rounds, chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. For round 7, you're going to chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And the last round with single crochet just gives the hat a nice finished look. So now if you are making the baby, child, or adult size, we're going to go ahead and move on. For round 3, you're going to chain 2, and you're going to make 2 double crochet in that same stitch that you joined to. 2, And then in that next stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet. And that is going to be your pattern for the remainder of the round. You do 2 double crochet and then 1. 2 and then 1 all the way around. All right, at the end of round 3, you should have 33 stitches. I'm going to count mine to make sure that that's correct. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, go ahead and join in the round. So we just completed round 3 and we have 33 stitches. Okay, so now this is the crown size for a baby hat. So the crown size is where you increase. This is the top of the head, and then for the hat height, we create the height, and that's done by making these rounds of simply just double crocheting. So for the baby size, the crown is done. Now for rounds 4 through 9, for each of those rounds, you're going to chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. And then for round 10, you'll chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. If you are making the child or the adult size, we're going to move on. Okay, for round 4, go ahead and chain 2. And you're going to make 2 double crochet in that first stitch. 1. And now in the next 2 stitches, you're going to make 1 double crochet. And you repeat that pattern all the way around. So let me do one more set here and I'll show you. Okay, so I have 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So you just repeat that all the way around. at the end of round 4, you're going to have 44 stitches. Go ahead and join with the slip stitch. We are done making the crown for the child size. Okay, so the crown is now large enough. So now what you're going to do for rounds 5 through 12, for each of those rounds, you'll chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. For round 13, you'll chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. If you are making the adult size, we have 1 more round for the crown to complete. For round 5, chain 2. You'll make 2 double crochet in that first stitch. And then in the next 10 stitches, you're going to make 1 double crochet. How many counts? I have my 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need to do 1 more. And then I'll do 2 double crochet again in that next stitch, and then repeat that pattern of single crochet in 10. Okay, so I made another increase, and now I'm going to make 10 double crochet. 2. Okay, now again 2 double crochet in that next stitch. Okay, so I had my 10. Let me make sure that was 10. So there's my increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again 2. And now once again, I'll double crochet in 10 stitches. 1, 2. Okay, that should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to make 2 double crochet in that next stitch. Okay, and then I should have 10 stitches remaining. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. So I'm just going to double crochet once in those remaining 10 stitches. All right, you are now done with round 5. Go ahead and join in the round. You should have 48 stitches. And we are done making the crown size for the adult size hat. So now for rounds 6 through 13, for each of those rounds, you'll chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. And for round 14, you'll chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So that's it for this tutorial. I've shown you how to make this bulky beanie in preemie, baby, child, and adult sizes. If you check the description box below, I have a link for the written pattern on my blog. In that pattern, I show you how to do the pom-pom if you want to make a pom-pom for the top of your hat. I hope you guys found this helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and notification button so that you get notified when I post future tutorials. Thank you.